Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mojito Vodka. First, gather your ingredients: fresh mint leaves, 1 lime, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, and 2 ounces of your favorite vodka. You'll also need a muddler, a cocktail shaker, and a tall glass. Make sure you have plenty of ice on hand to chill your drink perfectly. This simple guide will have you enjoying a refreshing Mojito Vodka in no time. Now, let's get to the fun part. Place about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves into your shaker. Add the juice of half a lime and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Gently muddle these ingredients together, just enough to release the mint's aromatic oils without tearing the leaves. Next, pour in 2 ounces of vodka. Fill the shaker about 2/3 full with ice, preparing for a good shake. With all your ingredients in the shaker, secure the lid tightly. Shake vigorously for about 15 seconds until the outside of the shaker feels frosty cold. This ensures your drink is perfectly chilled and well mixed. Now, fill a fresh tall glass with ice. Strain the Mojito Vodka mixture from the shaker into your prepared glass. For a final touch, garnish with a fresh mint sprig and a lime wedge. Enjoy your homemade Mojito Vodka. To elevate your Mojito Vodka, consider experimenting with different flavored vodkas, like citrus or berry, for a unique twist. You can also adjust the amount of sugar and lime juice to perfectly match your personal taste preference, making it sweeter or tartar. Remember, the best mojito is the one you enjoy most. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy drink recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.